Hi everyone, I'm super excited to make these daily videos. It's something like really close to my heart and reflective of the journey I've been on of self-empowerment, reclaiming my confidence, living life on my terms, creating my dream life, and that feeling of self-worth, like getting that feeling back. And so that's kind of the journey I want to go on with these daily videos. And a metaphor that I use a lot in my life, and the indigenous peoples of Peru, the Quero, they believe that every person has an actual sun in their heart. And I've always loved thinking about that way, because if your sun is dim, you're not going to have a big impact on the world. You're going to feel depressed or closed off or shut down. But as I've pictured on my journey, my heart just kind of opening again, and that light shining out and finding my voice and my confidence and the impact that's had on my kids and my relationships and my friendships, it's been this incredible journey. And so that's kind of the journey I want to go on through these videos, where we can all kind of learn and grow together. I also like the idea of these daily videos because I think it's important to do these things in small steps. If you try to, tackle all of these things all at once, I'm gonna take my power back, find my voice, get my confidence, it's overwhelming. But if you do it in little bite-sized chunks, it can make a huge difference, because those things really, really add up. So for today, I'm thinking about, what are 3 things that you love about yourself, that are your best qualities, that you just know that that's where you shine. Think about what those 3 qualities are for you. I think mine is listening, empathy, and just my ability to be in relationship with people and make people feel comfortable, I hope. That's what I've been told. So I feel like those are really big strengths of mine that really support me in moving forward. So I'm gonna leave it at that for right now, just because this is our first day, it's our first video. But if you'd love to share, I'd love to hear what your 3 strengths are. Okay, everyone, have a great day, and I hope you're doing great. Talk to you soon.